as thereafter. Okay, Mahalakshmi from Aston, is an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, who is going to handle for you product design and development. Okay, product design and development, the open elective subject. Okay, the for your current semester. Able to see the information what I'm displaying you, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Subject we are going to learn as an open 551. Subject name, product. Are you clear with the title?
Yes, ma'am.
Come across what the subject will be. The semester 5, and you being a computer science. Yes, kindly reply. Just wait, students. Okay, students, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear, right? Okay, fine, good. So what is the question I'm asking you all? Why we have to learn this product design and development, being a computer science background students? Any idea? Anyone? I have already told it's an open elective paper, and the credit for this particular subject is 3 credit paper. In what way this particular paper is going to be helpful for you students, being a pre-final year students, as well as in what way it is going to be helpful for CSE background students? Any idea?
Maybe it will be helpful in designing our own products, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Okay, here I'll come to Harsha. So, own product. Products means what type of products you can just classify to?
Hardware and software, ma'am.
Good, very good. So there are different types of products. There's engineered products, discrete products, physical products, tangible products. There are a lot of product classifications, right? So you can consider product as an automobile product, okay, hardware product, software product. So any type of designing or project, you can say, or product you're going to create, first you have to analyze what you're going to do. What is the innovation you're going to do for this particular product? What you're going to invent now? It's not that already which is available product you are going to just rebuild. It's just the manufacturing, the same concept, same thing. But product design and development, when you learn this particular subject, then you'll go for creativity, innovations. Okay, so that type of things only we are going to cover this whole paper. I'll go for the syllabus. So this is your syllabus. I'll circulate all the information. You need not worry. You need not note down now or copy all the information what I'm displaying you. But you have a separate note for As usual, how you maintain for a computer architecture, similarly, you can maintain for product design and development. Subject code you note down, and you have to understand before going in depth about the concept. You have to understand what is the objective. What is the objective means? Why? What is the aim of learning this particular product design and development subject? Is it going to really helpful for my career? First, you have to analyze. So, any syllabus you go through, any subject the faculties are covering, you have to understand the objective of the subject. So, being a student, after learning the subject, what is our aim should be? So, basic concept of product design. If you're going to create a product, you're going to design a product, you have to know all the basic concepts of product design. For example, you being a computer science background student, you're going to create a smartphones. So see to that you have to analyze from the generation of smartphones. What are the normal basic concept a smartphone should have? That also should be inbuilt in that. Some extra creativity, innovations have to be also built. So the main aim of covering this subject is to know the basic concept of product design, product features. Each and every product has its own features. Apple smartphones has its own features. Oppo, similarly Samsung. So all different products have its own features. Focus on those things. You have to get the knowledge of it. And its architecture. As usual, without architecture, you can't build any integrated software inside it. Are you clear? Am I clear for you, students? Kindly unmute and reply. Any inconvenience for you?
No, ma'am.
And the voice? Okay. So what are the things we have to aim on learning this particular subject? You will understand the basic concept of any product design, product features, and architecture. Without any hardware design, you can't build any software inside it. You can't run any products. So if, for example, if you consider i3 processor, i7 processor, or go ahead of processor, it should support all type of input unit and output unit. The design should be, that architecture design should be in such a way it's supporting all the extra small products, inbuilt products, supporting for all type of what new generations inventing products. And the architecture. So being the students, you will come to know the basic knowledge in the common features of a particular product and how to incorporate them suitably inside a product. If, for example, or software taniya neenga invent pandreenga or hardware taniya invent pandreenga, adha renduyum inbuilt pananum, incorporate pananumna ungalku product therinja or basic concept theriyணும், features therinum, how we have to make the perfect architecture for supporting this inbuilt functions. So this is the main thing. We are going to learn for under this open elective paper, product design and development. Very, very interesting subject. But don't think, okay, theory dana kada utta pass pannidalam. But here also, few students who are not regularly attending the classes last semester, 4 or 3 students got arrear. So always don't get overconfident of any paper you are going across. Be dedicatedly working for the semester. Be sincere. Be responsible. Okay. It's our time to get a job now. It's a very tedious job through online mode. Kindly understand the situation. So don't be always lazy. Little bit be responsible for all the online classes. Next, under product design and development, few units we are going to cover, 5 units. In that first introduction part, we'll come on understanding. Okay, you have to now start imagining. Now you being a student, you're going to create any type of product, what a customer need or what your own creativity, innovations you have in your mind. So what is my follow-up? How to start? Okay, so some introduction part they have given. You'll know about IPPD. I'll say the expansion when I start the class. Need not get worried now. We will come to understand the strategic importance of product development. What are the steps involved for developing a particular product? What are the strategy we have to follow? Illaya plan pananum. Endha oru information inga create pandradha product project edha pannavo or plan irukano. Strategic follow pananum. Enadana you should not start. For example, there is some stages to be started. generation, concept selection, like that. Many stages are there that we are going to understand in the introduction part. Next, integration of customers. You all know, if you're going to create a product வந்து சும்மா உங்க own self-க்கு you can create, or if you are going to earn a company and you are the head of a company, you're going to create a product which is more innovative. What way the customer can be satisfied with your created product? How it is going to be useful for the customer? Okay, you have to interconnect with the customers, and the main focus of designers who work in your company, who plays a vital role, because designing plays a vital role. Appearance should be in such a way, it should be more attractive for the customer. And material suppliers, quality, the quality of the products fully depend on the material suppliers. So what type of suppliers we have to choose for it? So all those knowledge you have to gain. Process planner, there will be a particular department who work for this process planner. What are the best companies to, for example, if Apple is producing its own software hardware, suppose Samsung or HCL or Dell companies can depend on IBM products. So accordingly you have to plan the strategy. So what are the best product? இப்போ நார்மலாக நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ்ல வந்து ஹையர் கம்பெனிஸோட மிங்கிள் ஆயிருக்கும், what partners-ஆ வச்சிருப்பாங்க. Most of the hardware products will be built from that companies only, which is very much helpful for this productions. அது மாதிரி ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி விஷயம்லாம் இதில் வந்து நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கும். Competitors and customers, yeah, they are both are very important for a product design and development phases. Only if you keep a benchmarking, okay, we are going to compare. If Apple or a product வந்து worldwide famous because they have its uniqueness. You all can Oppo or Samsung or any mobile companies will try to match them, but they can't fulfill what the Apple is giving to us. Okay, so you have to choose some competitors for your product to be built. Their strategical planning can be used for your reference. Are you all getting me? Students, kindly reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt you have till now? Good. Okay, so customers, all these knowledge we are going to understand in the introduction part. Behavioral analysis. If you're going to do some innovation in your product, what is the replies, or what is the feedback from the customer, whether that will improve our product or we have to change our product concept. All those things we will try to understand. So first of all, the main motive of creating a product or going to start up a product, you have to understand the customer. If a pandemic situation la enna mari product nama invent panna, it will be useful for this situation. Understand the customers. Promoting customer understanding is very important. If you're going to create a concept, you have to make the customer to understand why you are creating this product this time. அந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்க knowledge gain பண்ணணும். Okay, involve the customer to development and manage requirements, organization, process management, improvement. Everything plays a vital role for a product design and development. So in general, we will come to know what are the very important features to be kept in mind when you are going to start developing a product. Okay, plan, establish the product specifications. Why we say it's product specifications means, for example, if you are you're working in a Dell company, so Dell company will have its own company specification features. Okay, அவங்க டிஃபால்ட்டா ஒரு ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷன் வச்சு ரன் பண்ணுவாங்க. At the same time, in some customer, when they approach the company, I need this design, I need this color, I need 2 or 3 hardwares to be inbuilt. அப்படின்னு கஸ்டமர் ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷன்ஸும் நம்ம ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ற வேண்டிய விஷயம்லாம் நடக்கும். ஸோ அக்கார்டிங்லி வி ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டார்ட் அவர் ப்ராடக்ட். ஓகே, ஃபார் த customer specification as well as company specifications of features. So these are the things we'll cover. Then why I have highlighted this unit 2, 3, 4 and 5 means in the prescribed textbook for you, all the unit except unit 1. Try to understand, except unit 1 information. This information you can't find it in your prescribed textbook. I'll give the data for this. I'll give the notes. Need not worry. I'll give the explanation for this. Remaining all the remaining 4 units, you have all the content in your prescribed textbook. As usual, I used to say, don't go for local author. Try to read the foreign author books. It will be very much useful for your communication, for your well-versed knowledge to develop. Okay, local author you can have just for exam point of view. If you're not able to find some apt what answers, you can go, but don't fully depend for learning for the local author. Okay, so you can find all the concept and informations in each and every unit of from second to fifth in your prescribed textbook. So this is your prescribed textbook, students. Colonel T. Ulrich and Welben D. Eppinger. Product Design and Development, McGraw-Hill in International Education. A very good book, and I have a PDF copy as usual. How I send for CA, like that I'll send for PDD subject. You not worry, start learning the subject whenever you have a free time, like a newspaper. You have to start learning the concept of product design and development. And okay, now after, what is the outcome? Okay, after learning this product design and development subject, what is the outcome students can come through? What is the result of a student when after completing learning this concept of product design and development? So the students will be able to design some product. Very important, right? This is more important for a student to design their own products. So after learning the concept of these units, students can have interest in designing their own products for a given set of applications. Also, the knowledge gained through prototyping technology. What is prototyping technologies? You can invent a small part of products. Not எப்படி சொல்றது, ஒரு டெக்ஸ்லா மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் நீங்க இன்வென்ட் பண்ணலனாவும் ஒரு மினி ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு ப்ரோட்டோடைப்னா என்ன, ஜஸ்ட் small product like demo version. Okay, so will help the students to make the prototype of a problem. If you want to choose any of the problem to be solved, you can create a product for it, you can show a demo session for it, technology updated can be implemented in that problem, and you can make as a project also. So hence the product design and development can be achieved for students in their day-to-day life. I hope you got an overall idea. And second unit comprises of concept generation and selection. Very simple. Edukku ma'am in the concept generation and selection padikkanum. Eduthone we will not come across some iRobot you would have heard இல்லையா, ஃப்ளோர்லயே வந்து ரோபோ வந்து cleaning purposes-க்கு invent பண்ணிருக்காங்க iRobot. But beginning it was vacuum cleaner where the human have to depend on it. They have to carry the vacuum cleaner in their hand. They have to have a handle and clean floor as well as at the top floor. But now after the invention, everything has been simplified. No dependent on human. Automatically it will go and charge itself. So that example will show you now. So why we have to go for innovation? First we have to know the concept generation. From beginning how it has been started. What is the first feature of the real concept? Then only we can understand the simplicity. Innovation, creativity can be implemented for the existing. We can propose a new thing. So you will understand some structural approaches, what has been made on the previous inventions of products, how they have started of new inventions. Those things we will understand in this. So what are the strategies we have to follow for creating a product, like sketching work, and who are all involved for checking that product concept is good or not. For that externally, like examiner externally they will be testing, internally the company internal people will check. So that all we'll learn in this chapter. Product architecture, as you all know, after understanding the concept through sketching, now they have to go for some important major components to be used to design hardware. So what are the procedure for it? product performance, manufacturing, all depend on this product architecture. What type of quality, what materials to be used, and geometric layout development. For example, ஒரு mobile phone, smartphones இப்போ ரொம்ப high-tech display எல்லாம் வருது. But in this stage, in this product architecture stage, it will not be the real part what you have in your hand now. Okay, it will be like molded part, just a design. எதுவுமே display இருக்காது, molded part, but inbuilt there will be some software. They will just test with some information feeding, message passing, or internet facility with a molded part. Molded now, it's not a finalized product. So product architecture will explain all those concepts for us. Fundamentals and incidental interactions, later system level design issues. So suppose if we form this type of design, what issues we'll face when we insert a data cable, அதெல்லாம் அப்பவே அனலைஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் டிசைன் பண்ணும்போது. Able to understand, students? Kindly reply. Students, kindly reply. Are you all in the link? Aravind? Abhinav, yes? Able to understand the unit-wise concepts, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like that, it's a very interesting subject. You'll be more involved in learning about the product specification, car architecture, where you have to focus on creating a particular product, what are the methodology we have to follow, all those things we'll cover. And industrial design, a very interesting unit. In the industrial design, we'll focus on attracting the customer. Normally, Apple அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டா அதோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், the thin display, அதோட light weight, okay, display ஓட அந்த pixelsல வரைக்கும் it has its own uniqueness. So industrial design, when you see the particular symbol or logo, we can identify this company. So we being a product designer, we have to focus on industrial design also. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஷிப்ல ஒரு கம்பெனி எடுத்து நடத்திட்டு இருக்கீங்க, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் நீங்க இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் வரைக்கும் you have completed all the part. Now we have to focus on industrial design. What type of design if you give, it will be attracted to the people. So some tools we will use for designing. For example, automobile products, they depend on the CAD tools, computer aided tools, to design the automobile. But Tesla la பார்த்தா it is very huge and it is more attractive. அதோட குவாலிட்டில இருந்து அந்த டிசைனிங் பார்ட்டை வந்து அவங்க டூல்ஸ் மூலமா யூஸ் பண்ணி தென் அதை ஃபைனலைஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவங்க வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கஸ்டமருக்கு இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தட் பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்டேஜ் வேர் integrate product design. So industrial design, if you go for previous PC or laptops, where it is very huge to us for us to carry, but now all the laptop as well as mobile phones are lightweight. So everything is inbuilt, every process, software, everything, it's not carry over. Wi-Fi headset வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ நீங்கள் அது மாதிரி இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராடக்ட்டுமே how they have made the design simplified, not carrying a wire with us now, இல்லையா? So managing cost, accordingly we have to manage the cost to give a perfect industrial design for our product. Robust design, நம்பிக்கையான ஒரு இப்போ ஒரு சிம்பிள் பார்க்குறோம் அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ், இந்த சென்ஸ் ஆப்பிள் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம வாங்கினா கண்டிப்பாக வந்து இட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ். தே கேவ் த ரோபஸ்ட் டிசைன் ஃபார் தட். ரோபஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் நம்பிக்கையானது. லைக் தட் மெனி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இந்த ஆட்லலாம் வரும் இல்லையா, பட்டர்ஃப்ளைஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கம்பெனிஸ், ப்ரெஸ்டீஜ் கம்பெனிஸ். ஸோ தட் brings the brand for the product. So simulating the product performance and manufacturing process, electrically you needed, everything is been inbuilt through this industrial design. That in depth we'll see, need not worry now. And last unit, very important, after creating the individualism of your product, that is uniqueness of your product, now it have to start designing. If for example, have you heard about Ola motorbike? Kindly reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the special of that product now? Anybody can tell me?
One charge at
Electricity.
180
Bike.
kilometers.
Very good. And we need a petrol for it?
No need, ma'am.
Yes. What is the special thing? Why all are going for that Ola now? Okay, we'll go like that. We'll analyze more products. Okay. So it's an electrical vehicle. If you just charge one day full, you can go for this much of kilometers. They give that much of assurance for us. So people prefer those type of bikes. So a little bit innovative where it has a Wi-Fi facility. You can hear music in your Ola bike. So lot of innovations have been inbuilt with that product. So you have to keep that in mind when you're creating a product or project for your own. Okay. So after designing the industrial design, then we go for this unit. This unit comprises of manufacturing. So Ola வந்து invent பண்ணிட்டாங்க அந்த electric bike. So what they do is after inventing a particular model, they make 1 week of usage for a particular customer. இப்போ ஓலாக்குன்னு ஒரு கஸ்டமர்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க, ஒரு பார்ட்னர்ஸ் மாதிரி இருப்பாங்க. They may be a customers or a partners. 1 week of training of Ola they will live. They will see the features are being supported. There's no issues, no bad feedback of using that particular product. Accordingly, after estimating, anything have to be reduced. Component cost have to be reduced, or assembly cost have to be reduced. Everything will be analyzed, and we will put the estimation for manufacturing cost. Because in this stage, we are just going to analyze whether the product will be good when we are going to manufacture for large amount of production. So in the unit full away, the calculations of manufacturing cost will learn, understand any representation of task which is not fulfilled by the customer have to be rectified. All those things will be understood in this chapter. Economic analysis. Ola, if the petrol rate has been increased, so is this the correct situation when we are going to launch this product? It gives a economic boom like that. All those information we'll try to understand in this unit. I think you have got an overall idea about the product design and development subject. Yes, students? So these are the references book. You not worry about references book. You have a prescribed textbook. So this is the front page of your textbook. 6th edition, product design and development. If you see the front pages, they have told about some automobile products, coffee maker products, as well as the room temperature device. Something more innovative. You are going to be fully dealing with new products, new features of innovative products alone in this particular subject, not the regular products. Regular na or normal mobile ko ஒரு ஸ்மார்ட் போனை பத்தி லேர்ன் பண்றதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஈகர்னஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ வில் லேர்ன் ஒன்லி அபவுட் ஸ்மார்ட் போன்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் த இன்பில்ட் இன்டகிரேட்டட் இன்சைட் இட், வாட் ஆர் த அதர் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸ் யூ கேன் டூ. Like that only we are going to proceed with this product. Able to see the information what I am displaying, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you for the reply. So in the introduction part in your textbook, they have given some few products. Okay. இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தா என்ன மேம், ஒரு ஸ்பூன் வச்சிருக்காங்க, ஏரோப்ளேனு, இதெல்லாம் என்ன மேம், இதெல்லாம் ஒரு பெரிய இதுவா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா அப்படிதான் தெரியும். பட் யூ நோ தே ஆர் த பெஸ்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இன் த வேர்ல்டு. தே ஹாவ் ஐடென்டிஃபைட் அஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ். So as I have told, there are a lot of product classifications: engineered, discrete, physical products, right? Engineered products, discrete products, physical products. So these are the classification of that products. Now we'll go for one information so that it will be interesting for you, this PDD class. Well, okay. One product I have displayed. Can anyone read out this? Spell this. Unmute and reply. Classல இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா?
Bell V ice cream scoop.
Have you heard about this product? See, you would have seen many scoop spoons, right, for taking an ice cream from a box. But they are told this is the best product in that. Okay. So see, even in a spoon, it is that also a product you can create where you can think of something innovation, something different, maybe quality wise, design wise, attractive. The design is attractive, so that most of the customers prefer this type of product to be used in their day-to-day life. So, for example, here, see, these are the models for that particular spoon. Regular spoon மாதிரி இல்லாம ஏதோ டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கு. And when compared to the other normal spoons, this was told to be the best design, got the award. Okay, this product has got award for a different approach. So your focus, you being a student, you have to focus on those things only. This is a bottle opener. Okay, do you want to learn about what is special of this Bell V? Okay, just you read out. It is very interesting, students. We are passionate about, see, they are telling about their company. Okay, you being an entrepreneurship or you are going to create a product, you have to speak in such a way that how way your product is unique, how way it is creative when compared to other. So we are passionate about making beautiful design accessible and bringing joy to your daily kitchen routine. Our kitchen tools are beautiful, crafted to last, and designed with ergonomics. Very important word. If you just understand the meaning of ergonomics, the study of people's efficiency in their working environment. So when they make use of that type of spoons, they feel some pleasures. Study of people of efficiency in their working. This shows ergonomics examples kuda irukku. The study of how people work in their environment. So this particular company focus on this kitchen utensils. The kitchen lovers who love of keeping the vessels or some kitchen items more fashionative in their kitchen. For those they focus, so they have chosen the customers. Okay, like this you have to choose the customer to focus on what type of product you have to now create. So ergonomics enhancement that makes them easy to use. Most are kitchen lovers, most are prefer pandravai vessels or spoons or plates. For that, this place easy for them. This type of products. Everyone desire kitchen tools that works beautifully. So how they have analyzed? Try to understand. Say this overall company's profile and how they started. So 20 years of passion. They have aimed before it should be something innovative, something different. It should be a stylish product. So it all started with the scoop. Normally these are the generation back. They follow this type of designs. So they collected. So these people, when they want to create a new thing, they have collected the previous generations used scoops. So Dr. Carl Ulrich, who is one of the founder, who is also a author of Product Design and Development book, one of the founder, has collected ice cream scoop for over 20 years as a product innovator. So he is normally focusing on innovations only. It always bothered him that the scoop worked against the natural motion of your wrist. So they are considering of both the peoples, left hand people and right hand people. So this made it difficult to drive through hard ice cream or easily reach into the corners of containers. என்ன மேம் இதுக்கு போய் இவ்வளவு இதுவா அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. If suppose ice cream box ice cream has been fully freezed, it is very difficult for a normal scoop also to take away the content. So they find that it should also be easy when they are taking the ice cream from the bowl. The ergonomic redesign. So they focus on redesigning. They collected all the previous generation scoop. Then they started to redesign the work. So that is the main motive students should have. Not start with a new innovation. what is the existing, what you can do for a proposed one. Turns explore the redesign of the ice cream cone scoop in this product development class that he teach thousands of students online through. You have heard this, right? Coursera. So in that, the particular person teaches the students how to form a new innovation product with the existing one. The key innovation was to angle and elongate the head of the scoop, which allows you to keep your wrist straight and make the ice cream scoop more comfortable and easy to use. And we design a custom versions just for left-handed ice cream lovers. So they have kept the customers like this, both right hand and left hand, and where you should not just move your wrist, just keeping your wrist straight, you have to take the content from the box. So see, what are the steps involved for startup with the product design and development. They have made many sketching work. They have analyzed with more sketch works. This all you learn in the unit-wise content, students, in your current semester paper. So this is said to be, this particular spoon is the world-class design. Lunar is famous for creating some of the world's most beautiful and ergonomic products, like the innovative Oral-B. If you see in your supermarket Oral-B toothbrush, you can see many types in it. So they are just moving on innovation, creation. Not like same thing followed for generation or two generation. Cross action now newly they have introduced. Maybe the example showing to you is simple, but you have to understand what we are trying to say you. Okay, there are many models of these products. So refining dozens of prototypes, Luna turns highly functional geometrics into beautiful objects and long-lasting products. Then only when after this much of sketches and understanding the real concept of easily handling the product, then you can say it's a beautiful product as well as long-lasting products. So transform the original functional concept of ergonomic ice cream scoop into a gorgeous, simple and elegant form. Now there are many models of it. Okay, you're not just going to move your wrist, just keeping high class models here. So we have seen one example. Similarly for Avalanche, and displaying all types of innovation product alone. Have you heard about this? Avatech Avalanche Pro. Kindly unmute and reply. See, mostly used in Avalanche mountaineering to understand whether the sliding lovers who go for the mountains to slide, whether this place is safe. The accurate measurements can be viewed through this instrument, a product. Just if they fit here, it shows the correct measurements. It's a smart probe that crowdsources snowpack data to tell you where it is safe to skid. Able to understand? So maybe everything will be ups and downs in mountains. So this particular product will help the sliders to be safe when they're sliding up, which is the safe place. So like that, something different you have to invent, and it should satisfy the customers for some applications. This is the part. Similarly, this is a very important product. Being a computer science student, you will know, you want to know about these robo. Kindly listen to this video. Able to hear, students? Can you able to hear this? Please reply. Can you hear? Students, unmute and reply. Abhinav?
No, ma'am, it's not. It's not audible.
You know. Okay, it will not be audible, but you can. The words can be displayed down. You just read out that, can understand it. I'll send a link separately in the group. Just wait, students. I'll share the link so that you can also listen. Maybe in your group I'll post, okay? Okay. Now you can see that. Just I have. Able to hear me? What's the content? Yes. Okay, good. Last minute. 3:15. Mark. How are you? Chuma display product. Keko. you understood about Umba? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what you got from that particular product? Is it always depend on human being? Yes, reply. What you understood by iRobot, Roomba? 2 points, please. Yes, students, can you hear me or not?
Ma'am, it is a robot vacuum cleaner which cleans our room automatically without any user command. Ma'am.
Okay. It's self-charging. Okay, it's not depend on the human being to charge it. And if you have already set a time, it will automatically on that particular time, even though you're not at home, it starts doing its work. But that a different product. It's like this lot of innovative product we are going to come across our subject. And this Tesla model, yes, automobile, Boeing 787 aircraft, when compared to other aircraft, what is special in 787 we are going to learn about. Okay, you know what is a plus point in Tesla model. Okay, it's a fast electric sedan car, sports car. It's go for the minutes of kilometers fast. Okay, and it's more innovative design here. So you can just understand the information. There are many versions of Tesla here. So ultimate focus on driving, no stack, no shifting. Model S is the best car to drive, and the clean, powerful, how powerful it is. All the redesigned the second row, something different when compared to the normal sedan car. Okay, 2200 into 1300 specifications here. Okay, resolutions, withstandability, true color, bright, and exceptions are being found here. Focus on driving. Ultimately, it's a powerful sedan car. Mainly, it is an fully chargeable only. So see how spacious it is. The design is more innovations when compared to the normal sedan car. And stay connected, multi-device, Bluetooth. Even without human beings, the car automatically can be ride. All those things you know, right, students? Kindly reply. Oh, you all know the knowledge about Tesla, right? Yes, reply. So it's always staying connected. So multi-device Bluetooth facility is available in the sedan car. Wireless and USB C charging for every passengers with enough power to fast charge your tablets and laptops. See, those provisions have been given in Tesla. Game from anywhere. This is called as more innovations. Fine. Okay, ma'am. What is the special in Boeing aircraft? You can find the wings here. Okay, it's a separate innovation aircraft. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is American wide-body jet airlines manufactured by Boeing commercial aeroplanes. After dropping its Sonic Cruiser projects, Boeing Boring announced the conventional 7E7 on January. So there are the invention started that time. You have to understand what is the difference of other aircraft. If you see the image itself, the wing flow will be different. Yes. See, there's a session called innovation itself here. The most innovative and efficient air freight family flying today is this Boeing. All new super efficient family of commercial aeroplanes. And what's special you have to understand with this. Yes, Wikipedia. There's also a commercial product. See, the main point. Here, when compared to the other aircraft, you can see this Boeing 787 Dreamliner has been innovations like this. The wings has been curved, fine. So Boeing targeted 20% less fuel burn than replace aircraft like Boeing 767 carrying 200 to 300 passengers on top to point to point routes up to 8,500 nmi, a shift from hub and spoke travels. So when they are launching this aircraft, the main special of this wing is see here. The prototype was rolled out without major system. The point, wait. I have to show you the specified point here. Wait. Yes. We'll go for video itself. Able to hear, students? Unmute and reply.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, wait. ஒரே நிமிஷம் பா மேம். Okay, send the link. You just see, go through it. Today class is more than enough. I'll proceed for the next class. These points we'll discuss later. I think you are able to understand the overall idea about the subject, what we are going to cover, how it is going to be useful for creating your own product. Any doubts, students, till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Jay Surya, send the absentees details, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you have noted it. Okay, thank you, students, for your cooperation. I can leave the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.